Welcome to this quick guide on unpinning a chat in WhatsApp on PC with the latest update. If you've pinned conversations to the top for easy access, but now you want them to sit naturally in your chat list again, this video will show you exactly how to do it. First, open the WhatsApp desktop app on your computer and sign in if needed. Once you're in, scan your chat list to locate the conversation you've pinned and want to unpin. The pinned chats usually appear at the very top with a small pin icon next to them, indicating their special status. Now, move your mouse over the chat you want to unpin. A hidden set of options becomes available when you right-click on that chat. From the context menu, look for the option that says Unpin Chat. It's the one you'll select to release that chat from its pinned position and return it to the regular, alphabetical, or last active order like the rest of your conversations. After you click Unpin Chat, you'll notice the chat no longer sits at the top of your list. It will blend back into the standard chat flow, just like every other conversation. If you unpin multiple chats, repeat the same steps for each one you want to move, and you'll see several chats shift away from the pinned area. If you ever change your mind, you can repin any chat by right-clicking it and selecting Pin Chat. That quick toggle makes it easy to keep the most important conversations front and center. The new update makes these actions straightforward, with the right-click menu giving you fast access to both pin and unpin options without hunting through menus. A couple of tips to keep in mind. First, pinning is handy for people you chat with daily, such as family or teammates, so you can jump right into important messages. Second, if you use WhatsApp on multiple devices, the pin status syncs across devices, but always double check on the PC app to ensure your changes took effect. That's all there is to unpinning a chat on WhatsApp for PC. It's a small tweak, but it makes a big difference in keeping your conversations organized and easy to navigate. If this helped, drop a comment with what you'd like to learn next, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick setups and tips.